Hi guys, and welcome to this month-long program that I have created for you called Live Well with Marissa at Home. I hope that you join me every single day in a row for 30 days so that we can practice together, we can feel well, strong, able, and all of you can learn new movements for yourself through these different exercises that we're going to explore. Every time, all you need is a mat. Sometimes I'll have tennis shoes on for the workouts. Sometimes I'll be barefoot, and all that is up to you. I'd like to start this by offering you a Metta meditation, which is a loving meditation. So let's go ahead and bring our hands to our heart center and close our eyes, please. As our eyes close and our palms press together, I want you to find your breath. I want you to feel so grateful for this opportunity to practice with the community online so that we can enjoy this aspect of continuing our work, our effort, and this idea of being well together. You can breathe in silently, or you're welcome to say it aloud to yourself. We'll start with the two words, I am, on your inhale, and on your exhale, safe. On your next inhale, I am, and on your next exhale, loved. On your next inhale, I am. And on your next exhale, fulfilled. Continue, I am, inhale. Exhale, successful. I am on your inhale. Exhale, joyful. I am on your next inhale. Exhale, kind. I am on your next inhale. Hold it. And you choose the word for your exhale. And if your choice is not fast, take time and repeat something we've already used. Loved, successful, joyful, kind, thoughtful, or plug in your new word when you're ready. Good, let's go ahead and start with simple movements for yoga practice, coming into hands and knees. Spread your fingers wide. Now, if most of you, kind of have a more vigorous workout pattern, I'd suggest maybe waking up right when this video airs, or possibly doing this right before you go to sleep, or pairing it right before or after one of your other workouts. If you're new to moving every day, or you're new to me or yoga, then welcome. And let's go ahead and get started. Let's inhale to cow, bring your chest up. Let's exhale to cat, tuck the chin and round. Good, let's curl our toes, press back through the hips, downward facing dog. Find length, please. Exhale, move your heart back to your thighs, lengthen out. Come forward, plank. Exhale, back to dog. Good, come forward, plank. Exhale, back to dog. Come to plank on your inhale, lower down, knees, chest, chin, knee down, chaturanga or full chaturanga. Inhale, pull forward. You can stay low to the ground or lift your chest. Exhale, roll over the toes. Good, look forward, bend your knees, step or float forward. Halfway lift your spine, lengthen out. Exhale, fold in. Good, ground your feet. Inhale, rise, stand tall. Exhale, hands to heart. Rest them by your sides. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, bow forward. Inhale to lift halfway up, lengthen out, stretch forward. Exhale to fold in. Left foot back, inhale, reach up, high lunge. Exhale, hands down, three-legged dog, right leg to sky, reach. Exhale, knee to nose, shift forward, nice. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, step forward. Twist, right arm to sky, inhale. Exhale, frame your foot. Straighten the right leg, fold. Bend the right knee. Good. Straighten and fold. And bend. Lower the left knee. Inhale, reach up. Exhale your hands down. Plank pose, step back. Chaturanga, lower. Breath in. Breath out. Nice job. Breathe in. Look forward. Bend your knees. Step or hop. Halfway up. Forward bend. Inhale. Stand tall. Reach up. Hands to heart. Good. Press down into both of your feet. Inhale. Rise. Exhale. Forward bend. Halfway lift the spine. Lengthen. Fold in deep. Right foot steps back. Inhale, reach up high. Breath in. Exhale, hands come down. Twist, left arm reaches. Stack your shoulders, look up. 3, 2, lower your hand. Look forward on your inhale. Exhale, straighten. Repeat, bend. And straighten. Bend. Straighten. Good. Bend. Lower right knee. Inhale. Reach up. Knee down. Lunge. Good. Exhale. Frame the foot. Send your left leg all the way up and back. Stretch high. Good. Exhale. Knee to nose. Inhale. Reach. Exhale. Lower your feet. Shift forward. High plank. Vinyasa, lower, lift, downward facing dog. Good, exhale, breathe out. And then bring your hands closer to your feet, rise up. So now from here, move into a little bit of a strength routine now that we've stretched out and warmed up the body with some kind of quick yoga movements. So let's squat and stand. Squat and stand. Good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Inhale, reach. Exhale, fold. Step back with the left foot. Come into a lunge, so bring your chest up. And then engage your core muscles, hands to your hips, lunge and lift. So tap your back knee, press away. Good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release and switch. Right foot into a lunge. Inhale, hard up. And you want to tap your back knee if it's available. All right? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Feet together. Nice. Shake out those legs. Go ahead and step wide. Turn your toes out. Exhale, squat. So you can reach down for the ground. You can reach forward if you want. Just use that core. Good. Final 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Lower body's getting stronger. 3, 2, 1. Good. Come on up. Step your feet together. This side or that side. Step together. Step together. Good. Almost through with this strength routine. We'll move into some upper body. Last 4. Together. 3. Together. 2. 1. Good. Jump over or step side 2. Good. Together. So here we're combining some yoga and strength. We'll also add some core. And then that meditation in the beginning, that metta meditation, that helps you get focused. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. From here, go ahead and bring it down. Forearms down, pick up your belly. Exhale, forearm plank, hold. Good. 4, 3, 2, and drop your feet to the right. Engage your core. Hold. 4. Obliques are working. 3, 2. Side 2. Come through center. Drop those heels left. Hold. 4, 3, 2. Come to center. Exhale. High plank. One hand. And then the other. Lower all the way down. Good. Bring your hands so your elbows go out. Your fingers are under your eyes. Glue your forehead. Lift. 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 Good. 8, 7, 6, 5. You got this. 4, 3, 2, up and hold it for me. Good. Now squeeze and pinch the elbows along your sides. Feel the body work, 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 work. 3, 2, exhale, lower. Good. Ground your hands, firm your legs. 1, 2, 3, high plank. Good. Hold. 4, 3, 2, knees down, hips forward, heels to glutes. Exhale, tricep push-ups. Good. Down and up. You've got 8, 7. This will prepare you for all the yoga that's coming. You've got this. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice big stretch back to child's pose. Relax your body here. Good. And then exhale, let's flip over onto our backs to get in a little bit of core. So lay down. Inhale, take your time. Place your hands behind your head. Good. Exhale, raise your legs to the sky. Long-legged bicycles. Exhale, twist. 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 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. One more each side. Ready? 1 and 1. Good. Plant your feet on the ground. Bridge up. Relax any tension. Exhale, lower, lower, lower. Knees at 90. Exhale, reach one heel. Bring it in. Reach the other heel. Bring it in. Then pull that stomach down and in. Find your core. Nice. Reach. 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 Good. Tap the heel. Bring it in. So again, the goal of these next 30 days, today is day 1. It's your warm-up, all right? It's that idea of feeling like you understand my language, the way that I move, and hopefully that you're looking forward to moving more with me and at a higher intensity some days. So as we do this, both feet, I want you to really acknowledge that you can commit to something at home. And the reason I named it Live Well with Marissa is because I do believe in movement every day of some sort, whether it's just a walk or a really hard workout. And that idea of really living well fully. So it's not just about the yoga or the meditation, but it's also about the cardio. It's also about the core. It's also about the commitment and allowing yourself rest and enough sleep and really good, nice, nourishing food. Hold here. 3, 2, press those feet up and round out your ankles. So again, welcome to your body's warm-up. Give it a big hug. Rock side to side. If this didn't challenge you, that's okay. It's day 1, all right? I just want you to stay committed. I want you to be at home finding your workout and letting it happen. Or maybe when you're traveling, you bring these videos with you. You link me up through YouTube and you figure out, where do you want to start? If you're gone for 5 days, pick 5 days in a row. Rock on up to seated. Good. Come all the way to stand and fold forward for me. Things will work on together like standing with no hands. Exhale, blow out a big candle and breathe out. Good. Inhale, reach all the way up. Pull your hands back to your heart. We'll finish here with one more breath, and that is I am on your inhale. And here's your word, committed. Exhale. Good. As your eyes blink open, release your hands by your sides. I want to thank you guys so much for getting started on this journey with me. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment below. Happy day 1. Looking forward to day 2 with you tomorrow. Again, you're going to notice the workouts are going to get harder. The movements are going to become more advanced. But I'm also always going to offer you those modifications to meet you where you are. Awesome job, guys. Thank you so much for committing with me. Please make sure you're subscribed. Please feel free to share. And let's get on this journey together where we are all committed. Thanks, guys.